Hi guys, good morning. Today, we will discuss about hip hop dancing and nature and background. Yun. Ano nga bang hip hop dance? Hip hop dance refers to street dance styles primarily performed to hip hop music or that have evolved as part of hip hop culture. Yung hip hop dance, ito yung mga siyasayaw sa streets. Yan. Siyasayaw sa streets, tapos yung beat na, I mean yung music na ginagamit sa kanya is yung mga upbeat music. Yung mga madagongdong. Yun. Nature and background of hip-hop dance begin in the late 60s and early 70s. Originally inspired by the movements of African dancing and flourished as a new style of dance performed on the streets for the people. Hip hop's aspects of modern dance, tap and swing, integrate music and complex. Hip hop originated in African American economically. The Press South Bronx section of New York City in the late 1970s. Ayun nga yung sabi ko kanina. Sa street siya i-perform or pwede rin naman sa stage. Pero dati, street siya pina-perform. Tapos, siya, began in the late 60s and early 1970s. Yun, inspired by the African movements. Tapos nag-originated siya sa South Bronx section of New York City in the late 1970s. Yun. Ito yung mga types of hip-hop dance. Breaking. Breaking is also called boying. Is an athlete street style of street dance from the United States. While diverse in the amount of variation available in the dance. Yan. It consists mainly for kinds of movement. Top rock, down rock, power moves, and freezes. Ito yung mga yung nasa picture. Yan, itong nasa picture. Ayun yung mga parang mga tumatambling-tumbling, yung mga ganun. Yung mga, basta yung mga nakakahilo. Breaking dance. Ito yung next, popping. Popping is a street dance adapted out of the earlier Boogaloo culture movement in Oakland, California. This dance style include the robot waving and tutting. Sorry. However, popping is distinct from breaking and locking, with which is often confused. A popping dancer is commonly referred to as a popper. Pag 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 popping dancer ka daw, tawag sa'yo popper. Popper. Yun. Tapos na-adapt siya sa Boogaloo. Boogaloo culture movement in Oakland, California. Ito yung mga parang robot, waving, and tutting. Yan. Yun yung mga styles na meron yung popping. Next is locking. Locking is a style of funk dance siya. Funk dance, which is today also associated with hip-hop. The name is based on the concept of locking movements, which basically means freezing from a fast movement and locking in a certain position. Holding that position for a short while and then continue at the same speed as before. Yung baka malito kayo sa popping tsaka locking. Yung iba nalilito, yung popping, yung mga parang robot, basta yung mga parang mga waving, yung mga ganun. Tapos yung locking naman, mabilis yung movement mo, tapos mag-freeze ka. Tapos pag nag-freeze ka daw, tag dun? Pag nag-freeze ka, babalik yung speed mo nung bago ang mag-freeze. Basta, ang gulo. Ayan. Saan tindihan yung gulo ko. And freestyle dance or dance improvisation is when you make movement with your body. This means you're not following the choreography, just moving. Since freestyle dancing is about your own original voice, there's no way to do it. Freestyle siguro, alam niyo naman to lahat, kahit sino sa inyo. Kung sa mga hindi alam, yung freestyle, yung on the spot, parang parang impromptu ba, ganun. Yun, freestyle dance, sasayaw ka. Ito yung mostly ginagamit sa mga dance showdown sa mga streets. Ito, freestyle. Yan. Tips in hip-hop dance. Choose an upbeat music or song. Ayun nga, mag-choose ka ng, kaya yung mga madagungdong na tunog, yung mga rap, mga ganun. Hindi ka naman pwede magdugtog ng love song tapos mag-hip-hop ka dyan eh. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes. Yun, yung shoes mo dapat, rubber shoes, ganun. Yung mga comfortable ka, pag sumasayaw, hindi ka pwedeng magsuot ng black shoes no? Yun. Feel relaxed before stepping the dance floor. And dapat relax ka lang, chill ka lang. Ikalma mo. Move the hips. Itong move the hips na to, ito ata yung rules nila sa sa showdown. Pag minove mo daw hips mo, left and right daw. Ibig sabihin ready ka na daw makipag showdown yun. Keep practicing yun. Practice lang hanggat sa maging magaling ka. Tapos watch dance tutorials and take some dance lesson. Yun. Para mas gumaling ka palalo. Yun. And ito yung precautionary measures with dancing. Do warm-up exercise at the start of the activity and cool down at the end. Yun. Mag-warm up ka bago mag-exercise para di ka pulikatin. So, sakaling mag-breaking dance ka harap. At mag-cool down exercise ka naman pagtapos para di sumakit mga katawan mo kinabukasan paggising mo. No. Wear appropriate footwear and clothing. Ito yung kanina yung sa rubber shoes. Dance in a smooth and dry area to avoid being slipped. Yun nga, kailangan mo sayaw sa safe na lugar. Yung tuyo, yung lapag, tas hindi madulas yung pagsasayawan mo. As provide first aid kit in the dance room for safety measures. Yun, sa dance floor dapat, sa backstage may mga first aid kit dun. Kasi delikado na pag nag-breaking dance score. Anong gagawa mo. Yun. Ito yung benefits ng hip-hop dance. There are many other benefits like increasing flexibility, better balance, increased coordination, development of muscles, builds self-confidence, artistic expression, physical activity. Yun. Ito yung answer sheet. Pasagot na lang guys. Lag ako